Good morning, this is Miss Lodini. I am not going to be here today, but I am still here to teach you, and I will be back on Wednesday. Make sure you have your packets on your desk. This is the very last part of the packet. It's in the very back. While you're getting your packets out and turning to the very back, just a reminder, we have a review on Wednesday, test on Thursday. Okay, review Wednesday, test Thursday. And before you ask, yes, what you're doing today is a grade, a whole grade. So your page looks like this. It's in the very back. All right? Give you a second to get there. It's in the very back. So we're talking about greatest common factor today. We're going to go ahead and simplify the following. So you see how we have a variable or a letter outside the parentheses? What do we do every time we have something outside the parentheses? You're right, we distribute. Look at me talking to y'all. Distribute. So 2c times c is going to give us 2c squared. Why is it c squared? Well, I have one here, so I have two of them. And c times 5 is 5c. All right, now the next one. Just simplifying these again. I'm going to distribute. And we have 2b times 3b squared. Multiply the big numbers. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we have 2 b's here and 1 b here. That gives us 3 b's for b cubed. Next, we have 2b times 1b. It's going to give us 2b squared. And 2b times negative 5 will give us negative 10b. All right, so all we did was distribute everything in there. So what is factoring? Factoring is just the opposite of distribution. So when you distribute something, you multiply it by everything on the inside, right? Well, if we think about the opposite of that, we're taking something out from everything, because the opposite of distributing is the greatest common factor. Polynomials that cannot be factored are called prime. Just like prime numbers, 3, 7, you can't take anything out of them. Polynomials that cannot be factored are prime. So our next huge unit is factoring, and this is our first step to factoring, is greatest common factor. It's the opposite of distribution. It's just where you take something out. I'll show you again what it looks like. All right, here we go. We have 8, and we have 6x to the power of 4. What can we take out of both 8 and 6x to the power of 4? What do they share? Can I take out a 2? Can 2 go into both of those evenly? Yeah, we can take out a 2. So if we take out a 2 from both of those, 8 divided by 2 gives us what? 4. 6 divided by 2 gives us what? 3. We didn't do anything with the x to the power of 4, so he's going to stay. Now it looks like something we need to distribute, right? Because greatest common factor is the opposite of distribution. We'll try another one. Look at number 2. We have 2n, and we have negative 4. What can we take out of both 2n and 4? Can we take out an n? Well, he has an n. Does he have an n? No, so we can't take out an n. Can we take out a 2? Yeah, if we take out a 2 from 2n, what do we have left? Yeah, just an n. If we take out a 2 from negative 4, then what do we have left? Negative 2, you're right. So all we're doing is the opposite of distribution, which is dividing. I'll show you one more again. Let's see, look at number 3. Number 3, we have 4n to the power of 9 and we have 12n. What can we take out of both of those? Can we take out a 2? Yeah. Anything bigger we can take out? We can take out a 4. What else can we take out? He has an n. Does he have an n? Yeah, they have an n in common, so I'm going to go ahead and take one out. All right, now let's look. If I take out a 4, here we go. If I take out a 4 from 4, what do I have left? Nothing, you're right. What if I take out 1n from 9 n's? Then I have 8 left. If I take out a 4 from 12, then what do I have left? 3. What if I take out an n from an n? Then I don't have any left. All right, that one was a big one. Let's try another hard one. Look at number 7, last one. Look at number 7. We have 12n to the 5th and 16n to the power of 3, or 16n cubed. What do they both share? Can we take out a 2? Yeah, we can take out a 2, but can we take out anything bigger than 2? How about a 4 like we did on the last one? Can we take out a 4? Yeah, what else can we take out? This one has 5 n's. This one has 3 n's. So how many do they share? Right, they share 3. They both have 3 n's in them. So let's see what happens when we take them out. I'm going to take out a 4n cubed. Let's see what happens. If I take out a 4 from 12, what do I have left? 3. If I take out 3 n's from 5 n's, then how many do I have left? 2. If I take out a 4 from 16, how many do I have left? 4. Remember, it's just dividing. And if I take out 3 n's from 3 n's, then how many do I have left? Nothing, you're right. I took them all out. Una más. One more. Y'all know. One more. All right. Let's see. On number 6, I have 5r and 4r to the power of 4. What can I take out of both of those? Can I take out a 2? No, 2 can't go into 5 evenly. Do they share a number in common other than 1? They don't, but this one has an r. This one has an r. Can I take out an r from both of them? Yeah, if I take out an r, this one has 1 r. We're taking out 1 r. How many are left? 9, just the 5. Here, this one has 4 r's. We're taking 1 r out. How many are left? 3. All right. Hopefully this helps. Remember, whenever you're taking the numbers out, you're just dividing, right? Let's see. This is your practice. Yes, it is a grade. We will do one together because I love you guys. This is just on the other side, so if you flip your page, you're there. Look at number 1. Number 1, we have 4r cubed and 8r squared. What can I take out of both of them? Can I take out a 2? I mean, yeah, sure, I could take out a 2, but what else can I take out bigger than 2? Yeah, they both share a 4. This one has 3 r's. This one has 2 r's. How many do they share? Yeah, they share 2 r's. They both have 2 r's in them, so I can take out a 4r squared. Now, if I take out a 4 from 4, what do I have left? Nothing. I have 3 R's here. I take 2 out. How many are left? 1. Here, I have 8 here and 4 here. If I take 4 out, what do I have left? 2. And I have 2 R's here and I take 2 R's out. How many are left? Nothing. All right. This is a grade, a whole grade. And I will see you Wednesday. And I will check this. And if you have any questions, message me on Canvas. And see you then.